every facility you'll find a need for grading. And in most of those facilities, that grading is steel. For years, galvanized steel has been the accepted material for floor gratings, simply because there were no better solutions or the available alternatives were considered to be too expensive. While the upfront material cost of steel grading can be inexpensive, its inherent shortcomings make it costly to install and maintain. And steel grading can require frequent replacement. The greatest liability of steel grading is its susceptibility to corrosion and the resulting loss of structural integrity. In a corrosive environment, steel grading requires constant maintenance, and in severe cases, even annual replacement. Now consider the expense of replacing grading every year. Even in a plant where corrosion is not obvious, steel grading will rust due to ambient environmental conditions. This problem can be temporarily solved with paint, but in doing so, maintenance costs skyrocket, adding the expense of scraping, sandblasting, and painting to the original price of the grading installation. Now, corrosion isn't the only problem associated with steel grading. It's extremely heavy and difficult to handle. In addition, the surface of steel can be slippery, and the grading will also conduct electricity, making it a potential hazard to worker safety. An alternative to maintenance-intensive steel grading is fiberglass grading like this. Fiberglass grading is corrosion resistant and does not rust. It's virtually maintenance-free. It's molded in color, never needs painting, and it is highly durable. From a safety perspective, fiberglass grading offers a non-skid surface for sure footing, and it won't conduct electricity. A fiberglass grading is proven to last for years under the harshest conditions. While corrosive environments can rapidly destroy steel grading, there are fiberglass installations that have been in place for over 20 years. So with all of the advantages of fiberglass grading, why is steel used so often? If you consider only the cost of the material, fiberglass grading is more expensive than steel, but there's more to a grading installation than just material. In fact, there are three factors that make up the overall installed cost: material, labor, and equipment. Let's look at labor and equipment costs. For a steel grading installation, you'll need a large crew led by a structural steel foreman. Equipment will be needed to move and position the heavy steel grading panels, requiring an equipment operator. 2 structural steel workers are needed to position and bolt down the panels. The crew will use an assortment of hand tools, grinders, and wrenches. And to cut the grading, the crew will need to include a welder, and a acetylene torch, and a welder's helper. All in all, the installation requires 6 workers, various tools, and heavy equipment. The estimated cost for crew and equipment to install steel grading, $2.14 per square foot. But to install fiberglass grading, you won't need a welder or his helper. Fiberglass grading can be cut to size on site with a circular saw. And lightweight fiberglass won't require a crane or its operator. An installation crew of 2 carpenters and a carpentry foreman can do the job with simple hand tools. Cost for labor and equipment? Just 84 cents per square foot, less than half the cost of a steel grading job. And these costs only cover the initial installation. Now, what about the long-term life of the product in real working conditions? The fiberglass grading requires almost no maintenance and is proven to last for decades. Steel grading? Factor in consistent upkeep and eventual replacement, both of which are expensive and cause downtime. Consider a conservative estimate for replacing galvanized steel grading every 4 years. The initial installed cost of labor, equipment, and material is $5.64 per square foot. Add in a low 3% inflation factor, And in year 5, you'll spend an additional $6.35 per square foot. In year 9, when you once again replace the grating, add another $7.14. The total installation cost over 10 years, an incredible $19.13 per square foot. And that cost does not factor in any maintenance expenses. With FiberGrate, there's only one installation, and its cost totals out at just $7.97 per square foot over 10 years. And with Install It and Forget It fiberglass, there's no hidden maintenance cost. In short, when you compare the installed cost of fiberglass and steel grating, FiberGrate fiberglass grating is the obvious choice for long-term value. And FiberGrate grating offers benefits steel can't, like superior strength and durability. Now, drop a large weight on steel grating, like this 340-pound motor, and you're going to be replacing the grating. With FiberGrate grating, the impact is absorbed, and the grating rebounds, still fully usable, with its structural integrity maintained. Now, this demonstration speaks volumes for the inherent durability of FiberGrate fiberglass grating. This same resiliency makes fiberglass grating more comfortable to walk on and work on, easing the strain on legs and back muscles and extending worker productivity. This ergonomic quality is a particular benefit in plants where assembly line workers are on their feet for an extended period of time. Fiberglass grating enhances plant safety, providing a non-conductive, non-skid walkway. And in areas where grating is used to span a trench or channel, its light weight eases handling. With easy installation, minimal maintenance cost, impressive durability and safety characteristics, along with the lowest life cycle cost, FiberGrate fiberglass grating should be the choice for your next grating project.